Hello, guys. I'm gonna get that cake even best.
Sorry.
Hello, guys. I'm gonna bust that cake. Hello, guys. Hello, guys.
Stop. Stop.
Hey, guys. What's going on, guys? We're cooking the fire.
Hey.
Hey.
So
Okay,
it's
guys. What's going
So
on?
it's another video.
We got the fire
This time
going,
outdoor cooking.
and we're cooking an egg. And this is what we're doing, cooking this egg. So that's what we're doing today, guys. It went off.
Hallee. It's fine.
Stop. Stop. And I'll
Here. So this is where we're going to eat. That's over there. So, Josiah, you want to play Who Wins the Two?
Yeah.
Sword fight?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get them of us sword fighting. Whoa, stop, stop, stop.
I found something, Gabe.
On God.
I'm gone.
Whoa. You want to go jump, Hallie, while it's cooking?
But I'll stay over here and cook it. You guys can go jump. Yeah.
You think we need to turn it over?
Yeah.
Is the perfect angle, guys, for you?
Okay, check if it is. Okay, give you in the way. That's my perfect angle. Perfect angle. They can see. That's a wing, guys.
That's cool.
God, give us a huge thumbs up.
Sorry, guys. I'm gonna check it.
Guys, Gabe's checking the phone. It's my job to stay here and give us a huge thumbs up. Hit the link and turn on notifications. Give us a big thumbs up. That's what we usually do. We make a fire, we try cooking. This is our first. This is the Outdoor YouTube channel.
Hey. Well, yeah. Yours is ready to eat. That's for sure. Guys, I think this is a little bit of a...
It worked. We cooked it enough. It's good.
I'm gonna cook mine to the good to the bone. This is the best day ever.
It's coming.
Dad, this is the best egg.
For real?
Yes. I can cook myself now.
Great.
Yeah, I cooked
That's
it.
not on stoves. I can do it in the rain or anything. Come and taste this, please. Please.
Just take your spot right here.
Me and Hallie cooked it on our own.
Ginger's here.
It's a smoked egg.
Dad, Ginger's here. Hit the link and turn on notifications. Give us a big thumbs up.